Hello everybody, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can upgrade your miner in order to earn more Bitcoin and get a better ROI on GoMining. If you are new to Bitcoin mining, I do have a link for GoMining in the description box below. You can try it out and start making some passive income in Bitcoin. So let's quickly jump into the video. We are inside of my GoMining account. As you can see right now, my power is 11.65 terahashes, but we will be increasing this in today's video. My efficiency is 26.44. This is my discount, and I currently have 4 miners. So in order to upgrade your miner, you can simply pick whichever one you want to upgrade. For this example, we are going to be doing this one. So we're going to press upgrade. As of right now, this miner has 2.65 terahashes and the efficiency is 20. So when it comes to upgrading your miner, you have a ton of different options. You can upgrade the efficiency or you can upgrade the power. In this video, we are going to be upgrading the power and we are going to be getting more terahashes in order to mine more Bitcoin. So the first thing that you are going to see are your options below. You can do an upgrade for $39.99. You can do another one for $99 and it goes up in price. These are the quick upgrades. You simply press the button and you can upgrade, or you can customize your upgrade. You can literally pick however many terahashes that you want. But for this quick video, we're not going to be doing any of that. We're simply going to press the basic one, the $99.99 upgrade. This will take us from 2.65 terahashes all the way up to 6.69 terahashes, giving us slightly over 4 terahashes, and the ROI will be 43.6%, which is not bad at all. So we are going to select this option right here, which is $99.99, and we are going to press next. All right, so this will give us a ton of different options to pay for this upgrade. You can use your Visa card, your MasterCard, Apple Pay, Google Pay. You can even use crypto, USDT, if you have Binance Pay, Sol, Ton, Bitcoin, Coinbase, GatePay. Or if you have GoMining tokens in your account, you can use those and it will pay pretty much instantly. Also, we do have a promo code. So if you use this promo code that I have displayed right here, you will get an extra 5% off your purchase. So if it costs $100 to upgrade, you're going to save $5. This will automatically be deposited into your account as GoMining tokens that you can use for fees or other stuff, which is definitely beneficial. So definitely make sure to use this discount code so you can save some money. So once we have selected our payment method, we're simply going to press pay and we are going to confirm the transaction. This will automatically upgrade our miner and give us more mining power, which is definitely good in my opinion. The more mining power we have, the more Bitcoin we are going to earn every single day. And now when we refresh the screen, you will see that our mining power has gone up. Now we have 15.69 terahashes. Our efficiency has improved as well, but we lost that discount. We was at like 19%. Now we're at 6% simply because we have less GoMining tokens in our account. But that is no problem with me. Now when we go over to the miner, you will see that we have 6.69 terahashes. All right, that is how simple and easy it is to upgrade your miner. I will continue to upgrade my miners. I will continue to purchase even more on the marketplace. I will continue to create my own. Just depends where I can get the best ROI and the best deal. So if you enjoyed this quick tutorial and you want to start mining, link will be in the description box below. If you have any questions whatsoever, drop those in the comment section as well, and I'll do my best to help out as much as possible. All right, everybody, that concludes this quick video. Let me know, what is your most powerful miner? How many terahashes do you currently have on GoMining? Subscribe, like, see you in the next video. Peace out.